Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to increase YouTube views. Now, let's jump straight into the specifics of getting more views on YouTube. First is create compelling content. It won't matter how many hacks or ads you use if your videos aren't good. So, how you can create compelling content that will get more views on YouTube? Well, one of the best ways is to create how-to videos. Next is encourage viewers to subscribe. Have you ever heard saying your best new customers are your old customers? In other words, retaining customers can be a powerful way to grow your business. Well, the same holds true for YouTube views, which is why one of the easiest way to get more views on YouTube is to encourage your current viewers to subscribe because gaining subscribers will increase the number of views on each new video that you release. The best way is to simply ask at the beginning and at the end of each video. This way, once a viewer subscribes, they'll be notified every time you upload a new video. Growing your subscribers is vital to getting more free YouTube views. So start asking your viewers to subscribe now. Next is create playlists to keep people watching. YouTube's own statistics show that top performing brands on YouTube build and promote twice as many playlists as the bottom 25%. Why do playlists work so well? Autoplay, it takes effort to pull your attention away from videos you're enjoying when they just keep playing. In fact, there's a cognitive bias at work called loss aversion. Next is promote other videos with end screen and cards. Cards and end screens are tools that you can use to promote your videos. To get more views on YouTube, you need to verify your YouTube account to access this feature. Next is add watermark to your videos. Watermark allows you to gain more subscriber and free YouTube views by promoting your channel across all your videos. Essentially, a watermark is just an image that you can set to appear on all of your videos. Most brands use their logo when viewer hovers their mouse over a watermark. It prompts them to subscribe, which is why the Shopify YouTube channel has chosen a watermark saying subscribe. Next is promote your videos on other social channels. If you have followers on other social channels, let them know each time you upload a new video to YouTube. A good way to do this is with a short teaser video. For example, you can create a minute-long teaser for a new YouTube video, then post it to your Facebook page with a link to the full video on your YouTube channel. Understand the importance of watch time. YouTube describes their algorithm as a search and discovery system. This algorithm determines which videos are shown. Next is nurture a community. YouTube isn't just a video search engine, it's also a social network. So to get more views on YouTube, you need to use it like other social networks. In other words, it isn't enough to just regularly share videos. You also need to actively engage your audience. Next is optimize your video titles. YouTube is a search engine, which means search engine optimization matters. YouTube's algorithm takes multiple times into account when selecting videos for search results, and the platform provides a number of opportunities to optimize your channel and videos, including video file names, titles, descriptions, and tags. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!